Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of Data Science with Partha. In today's video, we will try and understand how to install Anaconda in our systems. In terms of the audience, this video is meant for complete beginners in data science and those who are interested to start a career in data science. The basic objective is to understand the step-by-step process of installing Anaconda in our systems. So let's try to understand the process. The first step is to download Anaconda. Second step is to install it. And the third and the final step would be to check the installation by running some code. So let's begin the first step, that is downloading Anaconda. I will now open my browser and we will search Anaconda Python. So you can see in the very first link, we see that we have the individual edition of Anaconda. So after clicking the link, we need to scroll down and check for the download option. So when you click this download, it will take us to the Anaconda installers. Here we have three sets of installers: Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So depending on your operating system, you can choose any one of these installers. Now since I'm on a Windows system, I'm going to click on the 64-bit graphic installer, and as soon as you click this, Anaconda will start downloading the entire package. Now since I already have this with me, I'm going to cancel the setup and I'll show you directly the downloads file. So in my downloads file, I have the Anaconda file that was the installer. Now when we double click this, the setup file begins the operation, and using the default settings, you can install the Anaconda in your system. So this completes the step 1 and 2 of downloading and installing Anaconda. Now we need to check the installation by running some code. Now I already have Anaconda installed in my system, so I'm going to cancel this. And for initializing Anaconda, all we need to do is in the search, just type out Anaconda and you will find Anaconda Navigator as the first option. So when you click Anaconda Navigator, this kind of page opens up. This is the home page of the Anaconda Navigator. You can see we have multiple options here. So let's take the help of the Jupyter Notebook and check the installation. So as soon as you click the launch button over here, Jupyter Notebook is going to open up a page something like this. So now to get a new blank Jupyter Notebook in which we can write some piece of code, all you have to do is click on New and click Python 3. So now we have a new Jupyter Notebook ready for us to use. So for the basic code, I am going to choose to print something. So let's say I'm going to say print, and the statement that I'm going to print is, let's say, hello everyone. Okay, so as soon as I run this, you can see hello everyone is printed. So this confirms that the installation is successful. And now Anaconda is ready in your system. So if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.